Good morning, Charlie. Sorry for the delay. These are the crystals that you'd asked to see as a little close-up, so I thought easier to do you a little video. So we'll have a look at them one at a time and give you a little rundown on them. So let's start. Now, this one was the moss agate. So she's 20, this torso figure. Just in case you hadn't seen it, I'm going to show you also, we did have a green aventurine torso. So I'll just show you both while we're looking. So the moss agate one is 20 and the green aventurine is 18. So we'll give you a little twirl. I've got a light there to pull the colours out. Give you a little twirl on all the ones you've asked to see. So that is those two. This is quite unusual. I like this one because it's got the markings from where it was extracted. So it's got some real good natural markings on it. So a tiger's eye energy generator point. So you'd mention that one, which is 17. And so that you can compare, this is the other one. So this is much smoother. This is the £18 one. Just tip that for you. So the colouring's quite different on the two, but they are both the yellow tiger's eye. So that's the energy generator points. And there was two towers. So the sunstone and the tiger's eye. Probably with the sunstone we don't need the brighter light, might be better, more natural. But I'll lift it up again for the tiger's eye coming round so that you can see that patterning on it. So both 14. I'm sure you worked out already from watching the video, the white stickers are the price, the black stickers are the item number, and thinking about it you must have worked that out because you told me all the item numbers. What a plonker. Right, so this one is the owl carving that you'd spotted. Now they do these completely inside the area that they're carving, so it's all connected and part and parcel of it. Normally quite thin, so they'll stand up well on a shelf. That's probably about, at the thickest point, that's probably about 2 centimeters. And then the back is the plain polished tiger's eye, but they have polished the back on these ones that I've got in at the moment. So that's your owl carving. We have another energy generator point in the green aventurine. So this has got a little bit of coloured striations through it. Some of the aventurines can be a bit flat, but this one's quite you can see there's darker and paler on this one. Flat in colour as opposed to flat. Right, and then this is the rather wowzers one that you'd spotted. So a very vivid carnelian. So this flame is £59, and you've got some, if I just tip it, you'll see across the bottom there are some darker parts of the banding, and then this beautiful, it's almost like a chevron, isn't it, like you get on the amethyst chevron pattern. So that's the carnelian twisted flame. Then there was the moss agate fairy. So she is quite large. We do a lot of fairies which are around the 5 centimetre mark, but you spotted our big one. She is about 7 3/4 tall. So we'll give you a little twirl around on her. So the moss agate fairy that we're looking at now, she's £38. And the final number you had there was the, I might tip the camera, So this is the citrine, big chunky piece, and it's freestanding, obviously, as you saw, but if you wanted to use it in your hand, you actually could, and you can see, I don't know if you can, let's put the light off, it's what they call the celestial cluster. So there's just loads and loads of the little small clusters coming up. So that is the HTA citrine. That's the heat treated citrine. Gorgeous piece. So that was the last one, number 102, £22. If I pop that one back, so have a look, have a think. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know. And thank you very much for watching. Bye, Charlie.